if I divide both sides by 0.1, I get q plus 3 squared is equal to 16. Square rooting both sides, then, right, 16 square rooted is 4. So we get plus or minus 4. So then if we have positive 4 and we subtract 3 to both sides, q is equal to 1 is one of our solutions. The other case, if this is minus 4, subtract 3 and you get minus 7 as our other answer. Okay, so if you graph this, right, what we can do, right, is we can graph this portion here. So moving the 16 to the other side, we can write an equation like y is equal to q plus 3 squared minus 16. And when is this equal to 0 is what we're trying to solve. So we have a vertex at minus 3 and minus 16. So that's really far down here. Okay, so then we're going to draw our graph like this. Right, it points up because this is positive. And if you graph this using a graphing calculator, you'll figure out that this is 1 and this is minus 7. Okay.